A chair on her face. That's what she deserves. Hi, Opila. Hiya! Is this a dream?
No, Droid, come back.
Droid.
I got too close.
Why would you be close?
Steve, where's Steve? Thank you.
Terrible.
Oh,
what does T mean?
Reincarnate.
Oh, we don't have to start all over again.
Okay. Okay, Droid.
I don't want to see her jump scare, bro.
You already saw her jump scare.
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh. Wait, what? Oh. Can I already get this? Please?
We did.
Please? Please!
Mom, whatever you do not look back.
Droid!
Hurry! You
Oh.
did.
Opila.
Mom.
I'm done.
Run!
I don't know what
Mom,
I'm doing.
whatever you do not look back. Why would you do that?
You want to play?
Yeah, sure. Why not? Thank you.
Oh.
Incarnate.
You play it. You play it for once.
I don't want to play. Where are we going? We don't have to start all over again, do we?
No, we don't.
Gosh. Yes, we do. I don't like this.
She's horrifying. I don't see it. She's horrifying.
She's gonna come in my dream.
Mine. Oh, get over there.
Wait.
My droid. Put droid.
Oh.
Droid. I'll do the running.
No, I wanna. You said I'm gonna play, so I'm playing. I can't.
Mine, you failed droid. Mine, do something!
I'm trying to do something. Why is the screen hard?
You died. You did. That's it.
You said I'm gonna play, so I'm playing.
You did. Yeah, what did I tell you?
That feeling in my stomach.
I feel like Opila bird is watching us right now. I'm horrified. That's just
I know Tycoon and I'm not afraid to use it.
Opila bird, I'm not going to be a scaredy cat anymore. I'm gonna practice.
I'm just guarding my back.
I'm just practice running and jumping.
Hi.
Yes.
Mom, do not look back whatever you do. Bye bye, Opila bird.
Don't mind, I have to wait.
Just jump. Do not look back. Ah, why would you do that?
Don't mind! You're making me so nervous!
Your hair looks terrible.
So... Stop it, mine. I'm horrified right now.
Am I dreaming? Mom slapped me.
You're crazy, I'm having the same dream.
This is not a dream, sadly. And she probably walks slow. Yeah, she's probably slow, Mom. It's okay, chill. Opila bird.
Opila,
What
please.
you doing?
Mom. Run.
Mom, whatever you do, do not look behind.
I'm not. Oh God.
Mom, run!
I can't move my screen as fast.
I told you this controller.
Wait. She climbs walls.
He had ketchup on his hand. He was also having a fry break.
I'm sorry. I said I'm sorry.
You're welcome. Was that the end?
I'm horrified.
I need a vomit break.